Delicious vegan lemon cookies. It doesn't get much better than that. Hello, my dears. Buttercup here, and I'm back to share a new and delicious recipe with you all. I have gotten many requests to share a vegan recipe, and I think this one will not disappoint. We will be making some delightfully soft and fluffy lemon cookies. I'm just bubbling with excitement, so let's get started. Our first step is to measure out 1/3 cup of non-dairy milk. I am using almond milk here, but feel free to use another type of your choosing. To this, we will add in 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Mix gently, then set aside while we work on our other ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, add in 1/3 cup of coconut oil. Coconut oil is being used here in place of butter. It's a wonderful substitute that can be swapped in for many types of recipes. One thing I would recommend when working with coconut oil is to make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature, as the coconut oil can solidify and form lumps in your dough if mixed with very cold ingredients. Add in 3/4 cup of sugar, and then mix this together at a medium-high speed for about 1 minute. Next, we will add in 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce. Applesauce is our egg replacement in this recipe. It adds moisture and acts as a binding agent. At this time, we will also add in our milk and lemon juice mixture from earlier, as well as 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. Mix these together until they are well combined. In a separate bowl, we will work on our dry ingredients. Measure out 1 3/4 cup of sifted flour. To this, we will add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And then we'll whisk it together. Add in half the flour mixture to your wet ingredients, and then mix until well combined. Add in the remaining flour mixture, again mixing until well combined. Our dough is finished, but you may notice it's a little soft. I recommend chilling your dough for at least 1 to 2 hours so that it becomes easier to work with. Now that our dough is chilled, we can form our cookies. On an ungreased cookie sheet, drop heaping tablespoon-sized scoops about 2 inches apart. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the cookies are just slightly golden around the edges. Cool your cookies for 3 to 5 minutes on the cookie sheet, and then transfer to a wire rack to finish cooling. While the cookies are cooling, we will make a simple lemon glaze for the tops. Combine 2 tablespoons of lemon juice with 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and whisk until smooth. Using a pastry brush, we will brush the tops of each cookie with the icing. Personally, I like a bit of extra lemony flavor, so I do a second layer after the first layer has set. Yummy! And now our beautiful lemon cookies are finished and ready to be enjoyed. These cookies are light and airy with an almost cake-like texture. The glaze brings a lovely citrus tang to the delicate cookie. I promise once you've tried these cookies, you will be hooked. I know they certainly don't last very long around me. I hope you will give this recipe a try. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you have a favorite vegan dessert that you have tried, let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoy my videos, don't forget to subscribe for more baking fun. Until next time, mwah!